Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Kling AI account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to klingai.com. Then from here, we need to click onto, on the top right hand corner, click on create. And then a new page should appear like so. On the left hand side, we've got these different tabs. If it says profile page, click onto that. If it says sign into your account and then click onto profile page. And as you can see, that's my profile there. From here, I want to go to profile settings. Under profile settings, it says here, permanently delete your account, all generations, and cancel your subscription. So I want to go ahead and click on delete. Then it'll say, are you sure? This action cannot be undone. You will lose access to all your account, teams, credits, data, sets, models, and plans. If you have an active subscription, you'll also lose access to that. There are no refunds, so keep that in mind. So from here, we need to go to our emails and get that verification code that they sent. So here it is here, Kling AI verification code. So now I'm going to copy this code, paste this code here, and then click delete account.